The main objective for digital twin technology is to have safe and smart spaces everywhere. Retransform has created Secure, a digital twin platform that converts building data to insights and actions to reduce energy and water consumption and carbon emissions, improve waste management, monitor occupancy levels, and increase safety among many other benefits. In this demo, we'll show you how it works. Secure is available online and can be accessed through your browser and most Android and iOS devices. The screen that you see right now is our web interface and the landing page for any visitors or guest users. Guest users have the access to view all of Secure's environments, which are set as public by their respective property managers. Using the Know Before You Go feature, you can search for any Secure space on the map. In this case, it's our Retransform office in Dallas, and get the information about it. As you can see on the map, the Secure pin is in green, which means the environment is safe. Once you click on the pin, you can see that the combined occupancy of the environment is 2 people. The air quality is excellent, along with the information about the individual spaces like the reception area or the conference room, for example. You may have also noticed that the ATM on the second floor has a red pin next to it. This indicates that the maximum occupancy for that space has been reached. As a guest user, if you wish to visit this place and want to know if it's safe, then all you have to do is click on that red marker and select when you want to be notified. You can choose when it's green for safe or when the marker is amber for moderate occupancy. After you enter your phone number, Secure will send you a text notification to notify you when the space is safe to visit. Now, let's log into the system as a registered user and see what other features Secure has to offer. This is the dashboard for the user Abigail Murphy. She is a property manager. Abigail can check out how many environments she has registered with Secure, the number of occupants in her spaces, users under her account, and much more. And just below the information widgets, she has a Know Before You Go map available to her. This is where she can check different Secure environments and their stats. She can also search for the Retransform office in Dallas and click on the pin to get more details. Since Abigail is the property manager of this property, she has access to see other spaces that may not be readily available to guest users. With this access, she can further use Secure remotely and set up sensory data within the building. Inside the digital twin, she can see the entire floor plan of the environment. She can also check out the dollhouse view of the building and click on the individual sensors. The sensors can provide her with real-time data like the air quality of the environment, the occupancy, the energy consumption, and other value-add assets. Any issues or alerts from the sensors will be displayed in red. And here, for example, Abigail can see that the water leak sensor has been triggered and it has detected a leak in the kitchen. However, we don't expect a property manager or a facility manager to sit and monitor the digital twin application all day. It is simply to make sure that everything in their environment is running smoothly and working as expected. So to provide a much easier way to monitor all this, we build rule chains. A rule chain is a very powerful tool. A user can automate certain things and get notifications and alerts from it. For example, let's imagine that Abigail is on vacation, sitting under a palm tree on the beach, having a nice chilled drink on a beautiful sunny day, and there is a leak in the kitchen at the Retransform office. She is not in front of her computer to constantly check the digital twin, nor the data from the sensors, but she has added a rule chain for herself that whenever there is a leak in the kitchen area, a text message would be sent to her cell phone. When she gets the notification on her phone, that then triggers her to call Joey, the maintenance guy on call, and he fixes the leak. Then she gets another notification that the leakage has stopped. So now she can go back to enjoying her drink on the beach and having a wonderful vacation. Editing and editing your own set of rule chains is very easy and can all be done within the Secure admin panel. You're probably concerned about the security and safety of the data coming and going from disparate systems. The security built in Secure can easily be integrated with other building automation system, building management system platforms by using in-build integrations or APIs. For example, if the occupancy level of the conference room is 0, it can trigger your smart HVAC system and smart light to turn off automatically, ultimately saving you energy in an unused room. So far, we have shown how we collect real-time data from the sensors and display them on the digital twin. Now, let's see how we can present and consume the data by using dashboards. Here on the dashboard module, we can see all the sensor data for an entire environment. At a glance, the property manager will get a holistic picture of the selected environment. Further, she can also click on the individual widgets and get more detailed information, including historical data for some sensors like air quality, temperature, and occupancy. Let's check a few dashboards out. The first one is the Occupancy Space Monitoring dashboard. What you see is the maximum capacity and the current occupancy level in that building. The Air Quality dashboard shows you real-time data and the past 6 months historical data like the temperature, humidity, and so forth. The next one is the Occupancy Heat Map from the last 7 days of accumulated data. In this example, you can see that the occupancy in the reception area was relatively higher than in other areas. You can monitor your energy usage over time using the data collected from the electricity energy metering sensors. The Water Leak and Consumption dashboard is a good example to showcase the benefit of combining data from 2 or more sensors into one dashboard. This is a more powerful and resourceful visualization of their data. You can see here that the water consumption in the kitchen is very high, and one of the reasons for that is the water leak detected 5 hours ago. The next dashboard that we will be looking at is the Smart Waste Bin dashboard, which tells you how much trash is collected in the bin. It also tells you when the bin needs to be emptied, alerting the facility manager. Finally, this is the dashboard to monitor the building's carbon emission over time.